This is one of the Board 2025 case-based study question. The length of the bigger cylindrical part is 12 cm and the diameter is 7 by 7. That means the radius is 7 by 2. The length of each small cylindrical part is 5 cm and diameter is 2.1. So again the radius is 2.1 by 2. Find the volume of the bigger cylinder. So to find the volume of the bigger cylinder, pi r square h, we just have to put the values 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 whole square into 12. So 7, one of the 7 will cancel out, 1 2 11, another 2 6. So this will give you 462 centimeter cube. Next part of this question is find the curved surface area of the bigger cylindrical part. So to find the curved surface area of the cylindrical part is 2 pi RH, which is equal to 2 into 22 by 7. The value of R is 7 by 2 and height is 12. So again 2 into 7 and 7 cancel out. So curved surface area comes out to be 264 centimeter square. Now the third part of this question. Find the ratio of volume of bigger cylindrical part to the volume of two smaller cylindrical part. So bigger cylindrical part volume we have already calculated, which comes out to be 462 centimeter cube for the bigger one. For the smaller we are calculating pi r square h, as they are 2, multiply with 2. So 22 by 7 into 2.1 divided by 2 whole square. Height of the smaller is 5 and 2. So volume of small cylindrical part comes out to be 1 2 will cancel out here, another 2 will cancel here. 7 3s are 21, so 0.3 into 2.1 into 5, which gives you 34.65. So the ratio of volume of bigger cylinder to the volume of smaller cylinder will be equal to 462 divided by 34.65. You can solve it further. Now the OR part of this. Find the sum and the curved surface area of the two identical small cylinder. So you have to find the sum of curved surface area of two identical small cylinder. So what is the curved surface area? Curved surface area is equal to 2 pi RH, and you have to find for both, so multiplication with the 2. So 2 into 22 by 7, as the radius is 2.1 by 2, height is 5 into 2. This will give you 7.3. 2 and 2 cancel out. So 2 into 22 into 0.3 into 5, which gives you 66 centimeter square.